How to reactivate Amazon Flex account. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for gmail.com. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. Now click on Compose right here. In this section, you need to enter this email address: amazonsupport.flex@amazon.com. And in the subject, you need to write reactivate the account. And then over here, you just need to write that you want to reactivate your Amazon Flex account. Once it is done, tap on send at the bottom. Once the email has been sent to Amazon support, within 24 hours your account will be reactivated successfully and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to reactivate your Amazon Flex account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.